My name is Mehند الشيخ. I'm the CCO of Lucidya. Lucidya is like an AI-powered engine that create like a customer experience platform to help all the customer to serve, or all our partner to serve their customer in a better way. Of course, like taking care of the customer and like customer feedback and like to maintain your customer experience from government services or like private services, this is gonna take us to the next level. And this is exactly what Leap is about. I believe like such a platform is gonna give a leap in the customer service in the coming like decade, inshallah. Amazing. This is like the first time in Saudi we see something like this, and I believe this is the first step as well to see like even more. Our expectation is always high. Such an event, it's amazing to bring all those like great companies together and give an opportunity for local companies like ours like to be introduced to the multinational companies and to make us closer to our client and our business. This is exactly what we were in need for, and Leap like just help us to do that.